Hello guys and welcome back to All Rounders. So guys, here is the implementation part of the classes and objects, or we can say OOPS as the object oriented programming. So guys, in this program, I have declared a class which is named as fruit. First of all, I am using the keyword class. Then I am writing the name of the class which is fruit. Then using the colon sign. So this is the basic syntax of declaring a class. Then inside a class, I am declaring a init method. So first of all, for creating the method, we have to first give the keyword def. Then using the double underscore before and after the init word. Then in the parentheses, we have to give the self word. So guys, whenever we are creating a method in class, we have to pass this argument self. Just keep in mind whenever you are creating a method in class, you have to pass this argument as the first argument. Then after that, we are giving the colon sign, and inside the init method, we have taken two variables. First of all, a name and assigning the value apple. We cannot direct assign name equals to apple. We have to first give the word self, and along with that a dot operator, and with that we have to give the variable name inside a init method. So creating a variable, we have to give the self word. So first of all, self dot name which is equals to apple. Then I am creating a color variable self dot color and giving the value red to it. Then I'm printing object created line. Then after the class fruit, I am creating an object f1 of the class fruit. So it is actually init method works as a constructor. So whenever we create an object, it already invoked the init method, and then we are printing by using the name and color by using the object name, which is the f1. So let's run the program. So guys, here you can see that first of all, object is created and it invoked the init method, and inside this init method, the print statement object created is run. So it is printing the object created. Then after that, it is printing the f1 dot name, the value of the name. And then after that, it is printing the value of the color, which is value of the name is apple and the value of the color is red. So this is all about the classes and objects. So guys, next Jeet will tell you what are the how can we use the getter and setter methods inside the class. So over to Jeet.
So guys, in this program, I am declaring a class person by writing class keyword and then the class name, that is person, type person class, and finding the init method by writing def in the init method. Then inside init method, there are three parameters: self, that is mandatory, then two formal parameters, that is name and age. Inside init method, I am initializing two class variables, that is name and age, by writing self.name is equal to name and self.age is equal to age. So guys, these variables name and age are the formal parameters, and self.name and self.age are the instance variables. So after that, I'm declaring another method, get info. This is the getter method. Basically, this returns the current object value for name and age. Then another method, set info, basically, which will modify the existing values of name and age for the current object. So that was all. Then I'm declaring an object for this person class by writing p1 is equal to person, and inside bracket I'm giving two actual parameters, John and 36. So the name variable takes this value and age variable takes this value. Then I am calling the get info method, which will print these values. Then again I'm modifying these two values by writing p1 dot set info, and inside the parameters, inside the parentheses, I am giving Jeet and 20. So these two values get modified to the object p1, and again I am calling this get info method to print those values. So guys, let's run it. See, first it saved these two values and printed using get info method. Then by using set info method, I was modifying the current values for name and age variable for the current object. So, so then it printed Jeet and 20. So that was all. Now in the next video, we'll be telling you about inheritance and overriding methods. So that thank you guys and stay tuned.